All right, you got a drink, perfect. And again, Carla, you're just kind of like, hey, look at me, I'm cute, pay attention. Yeah, good luck. Narrative photography sounds like a very specific thing, but in reality, it all just boils down to, can you tell a story with a series of images? Sometimes when you write a story, you come up with a concept, you have a really clear vision in your head of what you want it all to look like. And sometimes it's the other way around. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you my process of creating a successful story from start to finish. This scene is part of the rising tension aspect of the narrative. We're going to start with a concept. Boy meets girl kind of story. They're sitting in a bar, she is interested, and this is what sparks everything. What are the important parts of the story, and how do we do this visually? And the red room is where their relationship starts to blossom. So the intimacy of the space actually works really well. From a narrative arc, you're kind of the instigator in this relationship. She's the one taking action while you're off in La La Land. You're creating a theme, and it's gonna give it this sickly feel, which works with the theme of toxicity for this particular shoot. Showing emotions. Nick, if you can give me like a really kind of intense furrowed brow and even lean forward a little bit. We'll also talk about the visual elements of an effective story. I want Carla to feel like she's in the moment, fully saturated, fully present, whereas Nick, our artist, he's a little bit concentrated on something else. How do we use color and composition and framing to make it visually interesting? They're literally becoming further and further apart, so she's receding, she's becoming less important to him. Next, I'll take you with me as we retouch the images. You'll be able to see my workflow and how we put that finishing touch on the image. I think the last thing I really want to do is address perspective. What I want you to get from this tutorial is essentially inspiration. I want you to go out and be inspired to create your own stories, to tell that in your own voice.